Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. I've got a round canvas today, 12 inches. I'm going to do a bloom. I'm going to try and get negative space and try and make it fancy. So I'm going to get some color to go, white. Put it down. This is eggshell. Oops. I gotta make sure I clean off the rim of this lid, because if you don't, your lid will be attached and you won't be able to get it off. Learned that the hard way. Alright, so I'll spin this out a bit. Just see, I might need a little more. Maybe it should be okay. All right. So I'm going to use purples and reds and gold today. So let's see, which one should I put first? I think I have Oriental Violet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna use 2 violets, 2 reds. I'll put this down first. And how about some medium red by Amsterdam? Put some gold. This is 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I got another purple. This is Lavender Frost. This is a DecoArt paint. Gotta make some more. Actually, I think this one is by Arteza. It's called Lavender Purple. But I have a DecoArt one that's almost the same. Alright, probably putting too much paint again. I don't know. I have this little piggy sequence, which is a purpley pinky color. it's a pigment. And now I have another red. This one is Amsterdam Meter Lake. It's a darker red. All my recipes are in the description under the video. If you need to, if you want to know what I use to mix my paints. I got a little bit of magenta. It's almost a red. I'm going to try and put a little bit of that on top. Seems to be stuck. I don't think I'm going to use these squeeze bottles much more. They're hard to clean. If anybody knows a good way to clean these bottles. I think I'll put a little more gold on top. You can never have too much gold. I'm gonna make some more. Okay. I have black cell activator. I might use some white also. Let's try it. I'm going to use my hair dryer. Oh, I don't think I have enough white. I might get some out. Scraping the bottom of the barrel here. All right, that should be good. Some air bubbles. All right, let's give it a whirl. Cool low. You know what? I'm going to try something first. I was going to use this one. I want to see if it works. It's working not too bad. Well, it wasn't too bad, except for that one. I wonder if I can keep some space. Let the middle come back. Well, it wasn't such a nice cells. I don't like that. But I don't think I can fix it. Well, let's just go with it. There, doesn't that look pretty? Okay, I'm going to give it a spin. Push it that way. If you put it closer to the side, this will come off more. It's looking good. Just need a little bit more off of there. there we go. So there, that's as much negative space as I'm going to get. I don't think it's moving much now. A little bit. I'd love to just leave it the way it is. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna put a box over it and let it dry slowly. As I find in the winter when I have the heat on, these blooms, if they dry too quickly, they could move or crack. So I'm happy with the way this looks. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Never ceases to amaze me. Pretty colors. Not too much of the dark purple showed through, but we got the light purple and the gold. Love, love, love. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everybody, and I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my dried canvas. It dried pretty good. It might not have been level. A little bit moved right there, but nothing major. I think it's pretty. I love that gold in there. Thanks for watching and have a great day, everyone.